Actually haven't covered this. So a couple of notes, if we can take this down. Functional equations. For the logs and stuff, should be up to the end of 2.2. Yeah, you get to do the booklet, yeah, which is 2.1, 2.2, and then the other stuff is additional exercises. So you don't have to, I mean, I would recommend it, but first thing I would do, because we're under pump for time, is work through this. That at least gives you the idea of the different areas that we need to cover. And then if there's areas here that you're going, hang on, 2.2, not really nailed that, have a look at the corresponding additional work that comes from the book. Because the book spreads it out over 4, 5, 6 exercises. Yeah? So, just to think, when we're talking about functional equations, there's going to be no numbers. Alright? Basically, you're going to be talking about things that are written like fx plus y equals fx times fy. Fx plus y equals fx divided by fy. So you're just going to get x and y all over the place, and you're going to prove to me, or show, that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. Start off with a simple example. What's the matter? Can't read my writing. Right. Functional equations are equations in the form fx plus y equals fx plus fy.
It's just the same word.
In these equations, this word? Form. In these equations, you'll be asked to verify the statements. So you'll get a left-hand side and right-hand side. You'll get a statement. So here's an example. If f of x is m of x, verify that fx plus fy is the same answer as fx plus y.
So, read the third line.
Third line, in these equations you'll be asked to verify the statements. It doesn't matter how good the camera work is, you still won't. So, I basically set them up like this. Talk about what the left-hand side is, talk about what the right-hand side is. fx plus fy is actually equal to. Now f of x means take x and put it in this equation. Okay? So you get mx. And fy means take y and put it in this equation where the x is. Whatever's inside the bracket is the thing that you are substituting. So fy is actually equal to my. Fx is mx, fy is my. All I've done is replace the x with whatever's inside this bracket. Happy with that? That equals, well, looking at that, m x plus y. Right? Because m is a common factor. So I simply replace the x with the y and took out a common factor. That's the left-hand side. Done. Right-hand side. Right-hand side says fx plus y. What does fx plus y mean? It means take this thing and put it where the x is. So it equals m, and instead of x, I'm going to replace it with x plus y. Yeah? Wow. Big deal. They're equal. Done. That's the big sum. That's functional equations. Stick stuff in on the left-hand side, get a statement. Stick the stuff in on the right-hand side, get a statement. If the two statements are equal, you've done what you have to do. We've verified. Because that and that, doesn't matter which way we got there, we both got to the same answer. That's verified. Substituting into the equation. Is there a lot of point? Not really. It's just a statement that they ask you to do. It's really testing you know what functional notation is. And functional notation is whenever you've got f something, that something is what takes the place of your variable. Simple as that. Let's try another one. There's a verification statement. They've told you what f of x is, and they say verify that f of xy is the same result as if you had f of x times f of y divided by a. Let's go. So left-hand side, fxy is equal to a over xy. True? What's in the bracket takes the spot of x. That's all I do. Done. Finished. Leave it. Right-hand side. Right-hand side is f of x times f of y divided by a. So, f of x is a of x. Let's leave it for the moment. F of y is a over y. Okay? fx, fy divided by a. Right, so all I've done is literally gone in and written the rule out twice with the corresponding letters, divided by a. Does that actually equal that?
Yes.
Yes, because this gives you a squared over xy divided by a. Yep. And if you're doing it long term, a squared on ay times 1 over a, because when you're dividing by a, that's a over 1. Flip it, cancel x. A over xy, same story, done. Substitution, and then cancel out so that your left hand side and right hand side